Yes, beta, welcome. Now we will start word problems. Word problems are of different types. Number one, based on articles, their cost. Number two, based on the ages. Number three, based on numbers. Okay. Number four, based on distance and time. Number five, based on fractions. Number six, based on speed, and so on. So these are different variety of examples in the chapter. Therefore, this is really becoming sometime for the students is disturbing or confusing. But there is nothing like this. Only it is up to us. I will take special headings. Under special headings, first we will take two examples, three examples of cost. Then three of like this. Okay. Number one, word problems based on articles and their cost. Okay, students, we are taking separately. Number one, yes, I am taking students. I will try to take examples which are generally asked in CBSE or they are in NCERT. Okay, so that you'll understand method, right? See, yes, the coach of cricket team. The coach of cricket team I'm writing as one. Coach of cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,800. Okay. Later, he buys 3 bats and 5 balls. 3 bats and 5 balls for rupees 1,750. Find cost of each bat and ball. Find cost of each bat and each ball. Very simple. Very simple. Now we'll start directly. We'll take example in sentence. We'll assume. See, let what will assume? We'll take cost of say what is first bat is X rupees and cost of ball is Y rupees. Okay. Now see, let cost of a bat equal to rupees X. Therefore, cost of how many bat it is, first we'll assume for separate, and cost of a ball equal to rupees Y. We assumed X for bats, Y for ball. I will take, there are two cases, first divide this way and second divide this way. Now first one, see, 7 bats, so cost of 7 bats, how many can you tell me? 7 multiplied by X. Cost of how many balls? 6 balls. Yes, cost of 6 balls equal to, can you tell me? 6Y. So if we add both, what is total cost? 3,800. Therefore, 7X plus 6Y equal to 3,800. We got number 1. See how simple, very simple. Second case, what is that? Later on, what he did? 3 bats. Cost of 3 bats equal to 3X. Cost of 5 balls equal to 5Y. Yes or no? Therefore, now how much is total? 1750. Therefore, 3X plus 5Y equal to 1750. We got second equation. Got it? Yes or no? Now see, we'll solve. It's up to us which method to follow. Tell me which method will you like. I will like cross multiplication. Very simple. See, I'm writing both equations in now standard form. Okay, see, 7x plus 6y minus 3800 equal to 0. 3x plus 5y minus 1750 equal to 0. Wrote in the for first step. Second, now I'm writing column of x. Okay, x minus y 1 minus y, be careful. Okay, now I'm writing column of this 7 3. Y का क्या है 6 5 and 1 minus 3800. Don't worry, this is direct multiplier. Okay, cancelable 1750. Don't get scared or afraid by seeing big number. Very simple. Now x upon, see, x upon, we can do directly hide column of x. Now this one 7 multiplied by minus 1750, big number, no, during class 10. See, 6 into 0 6 6 0 0 6 5 ja 30, carry 3, 6 7 ja 42 plus 3 42 43 44 45, carry 4, 6 1 6 plus 4 10, positive negative negative, we got 10,500. Okay, okay, now see, be careful, check properly. 6 0 0 6 5 30, carry 3, 6 7 42 plus 3 45, carry 4, 6 1 6 plus 4 10. Minus sign of formula minus. Now hiding, taking this. Now see, 5 multiplied by this, 5 plus minus minus, so minus minus becomes plus. Now multiply 5 0 0 5 0 0 5 8 0 40, carry 4, 5 3 15, 15 plus 4 19. Got it? Very important, children, this is very important. Now equal to minus y upon, hiding this column, I am taking this 7 0 0 7 5 ja 35, carry 3, 7 7 ja 49 plus 3 49 50 51 52 2, carry 5, 7 1 7 plus 5 12, both are positive negative negative, minus 12,250. Okay, now we need this. Now this one 3 into minus 3800. See, minus sign of formula 0 0 3 8 24, carry 2 3 3 9 10 11. See, both are negative, so negative negative becomes positive. Understanding? Equal to 1 upon hiding this column, 7 5 ja 35, minus sign formula sign 3 6 18. You got it. Important is this, be careful, hide column, multiply carefully. You cannot do orally. Please do in the column, multiply right correct. Okay, this is very important. Okay students, now see, by subtracting this positive negative, 19,000, this is 10,000, 19,000 minus 10,000, 9,000, 9,000 minus 500, 8,500, x upon, see, x upon 8,500. Are you getting? See, this 10,500 and this 19,000, so 19,000 is bigger, positive negative, we subtract 19,000 minus 10,000, 9,000, 9,000 minus 500, 8,500. Now again, see, here it is 11,400, 12,250. You can do in the column 12,000, see, 12,250. Please check 11,400, subtract 0 5, yes, 850. Now see, sign this minus 12,250, okay, and plus 11,400, so this number is bigger, so minus sign, minus 850, that is equal to minus y upon minus 850. Minus y upon minus 850 equal to 1 upon, check what is that, 35 minus 18, yes, 35 minus 18, you can do rough column calculation, 70, you got 70. Okay students, now after doing this, all of you Just take x coefficient and this equate variable x and constant. X upon 8500 equal to 1 upon 17. Now say x equal to 8500 upon 17. See 17 5 are 85 00. You got 500. Cost of 1 lakh. See, very simple, very simple. Now we'll take see both minus y upon minus 850 equal to constant 1 upon 17. That is written. Now minus minus plus again y equal to 850 upon 17. So 17 5 are 85 0, that is 50. You got y equal to 50 rupees 50 and x equal to rupees 500. You got bat's cost and ball's cost. Very simple, very simple. Understood, students? Very nice. Now we will take one more example and I will give you 2 examples of the same type in next video. See you.